Iggy Azalea and Nick Young break up, call off their engagement, and are they throwing shade? We have the details right now on Clevver News. Iggy Azalea broke up with LA Laker fiancé Nick Young, citing trust issues. After dating for several years, the engaged couple has officially split. Iggy announced the breakup on Instagram, because it's 2016, with a note that cites trust issues as the reason for their breakup. Unfortunately, although I love Nick and have tried to rebuild trust in him, it's become apparent in the last few weeks that I'm unable to. In March, one of Nick's teammates leaked a video of him admitting to cheating on the rapper and bragging about sleeping with other women. Reportedly, 26-year-old Iggy was very angry but wanted to give Nick one last chance. Apparently that chance has come and gone because Iggy continued the note wishing Nick Young the best and writing, "It's never easy to part ways with the person you planned your entire future with, but futures can be rewritten, and as of today, mine is a blank page." So what did Nick Young have to say about the breakup? Swaggy P took to Twitter several hours after Iggy posted a heartfelt note and wrote, "Single." Well, that was succinct. So what do you guys think about the breakup? Did you see it coming? And who do you want Iggy to date next? I know it's early, but you know, we can ship her with somebody. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below or hit me up at Danielle Robay, R-O-B-A-Y on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe and click right here to check out Beyonce's style evolution on Dirty Laundry. Thanks for watching. I'm Danielle Robay, and we'll see you next time. Click to the left to check out the beauty trippin' ladies making their own lipstick, or to the right to check out the best Snapchatter on Debatable.